So we're gonna do a shake and drink based on the Espresso Martini. The Espresso Martini was created here in the 80s by Dick Bradsell. And I wanted to do something that was a little bit of a non-alcoholic nod to that, looking at some of the ingredients that felt very much reflective of London as a place. We brewed the wonderful coffee that the Bake Street team gave us. We're even able to grab some of the kind of side bits of the bread that they use for making sandwiches at Bake Street. And this is the base for making a really interesting style of non-alcoholic ingredient called kvass. So 30 mils or 1 shot of espresso. And to that, we've made a syrup just by steeping in the currants, some black currants and some red currants, and also these incredible plum varieties. We're gonna use 15 mils or a tablespoon, some sweetness and some acidity, alongside 20 mils of our spiced tea, of ginger, nutmeg, and some thyme. And we're gonna shake all these elements together, and then we're gonna layer it into a cold glass alongside our kvass. So, take lots of ice, because what we want to do is use all of those kind of wonderful proteins within the coffee to trap in the air. It's gonna give us that lovely foam that we know in an Espresso Martini. So, good shake. Take a nice cold glass, and we're gonna add our kvass already into the bottom. So we're gonna use 2 shots of 50 mils of our kvass. And we're gonna strain our coffee, fruit, and spiced tea mixture over the top. And then to finish as a garnish, to nod to some of those kind of accents that we saw when we were chatting with Mega at the Gladstone Arms, a little bit of spice coming through from cocoa powder that's cut with a little touch of garam masala. You've got a bit of fruitiness, you've got some spice, so you end up having a non-alcoholic drink that still has tons of layers of flavor through it. Cheers.